Moving on will be Theta against BTC. So for Theta against BTC, yes sir, we are rallying our way up. There's a rally coming on for Theta against BTC. Feels to me like we're in a falling channel, falling wedge kind of a chart pattern. Are we going to be slicing back up above the skinny pink line convincingly? Yes, no, not too sure. We have attempted to break the resistance of the the resistance of the falling channel, but then instead we got ourselves a gravestone doji. So gravestone dojis are bearish reversals, so more likely than not we should be seeing more downside to come for Theta against BTC. Things just aren't really looking that good for Theta against BTC. I wish I could tell you that things are turning positive, but they're not really turning bullish yet. Eventually, hopefully, but in my opinion, at this point of time, the answer is not yet. Soon, but not yet. There is an attempt to break the resistance, but not yet. We've already managed to hit it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Once you hit it enough times, eventually it is going to break. So we are expecting Theta to break the resistance. The fear that we have is that even if you do break resistance, there's still another resistance over here in the shape of the skinny pink line. So we could be heading towards the skinny pink line, hit the skinny pink line, and then come back down and form mountains, right? And this would be a potential big descending triangle. And then we could be heading much lower for Theta against BTC. If we had if we have a strong rally, we break it and we go all the way back up close to the highs over here, then ladies and gentlemen, this will be a bullish development, right? Very, very bullish development. But again, we have to see what the Theta wheels are going to do first before making a move for Theta against BTC. But we are adamant that eventually we are going to see the break of the resistance line. Eventually. So yeah, there you go. Theta against USDT. Where's Theta? Theta against USDT. Here we are. It's not looking good. This looks to me like a mountain 1, mountain 2. We could be getting mountain 3. Pump. We could be slicing much lower. Again, for Theta against USDT, this is already a gravestone doji, and gravestone dojis are bearish reversals. So in my opinion, yeah, things just aren't really looking that good for Theta against USDT. One could argue that this is something like a falling wedge kind of a chart pattern. So potentially there could be much more downside to come for Theta. Right, so yeah, things just aren't really looking that good. I wish I could tell you that Theta is looking bullish, but it is not. It is not looking bullish. If anything, we are making preparations to hit lower. I mean, of course, if we do see some sort of a consolidation here, then more likely than not, we could be heading towards the skinny pink line. And then after we hit the skinny pink line, then we will see some sort of a bounce off of it, some sort of a proper deep correction potentially. But it could also be a very soft correction, and then we could be heading back up for Theta against USDT. But I'm not really feeling too confident about that because Theta is already under the skinny pink line, and so whenever you are under the skinny pink line, you will very likely spend some time under it, and I expect a mountain range to complete in the form of a descending triangle, and then Theta hits lower. To where? Yeah, potentially under $1, right? Into cents. We're at $5 right now, so the danger is there. Danger is real, and for this to happen, Bitcoin has to have a deep correction past $20,000. So there could be winter. Winter could be coming for the world of crypto. So be very, very careful about going to a trade too soon for Theta.